In this video, I will show you how to charge your Hayabusa battery. I'm kind of a dumbass, and I tend to forget to actually turn off my bikes when I'm done riding. When I had my big dog, I was running a lithium-ion battery, and I forgot to turn off the ignition when I got home one time. And this was a very expensive mistake, because once the lithium-ion battery is fully depleted, it cannot be recharged. It's dead, it's fully dead. Now, last night, when I got home riding the Hayabusa, I forgot to turn off my ignition again. However, this time I'm using a conventional battery, and it accepted the charge even after being completely dead. I tend not to use tenders because I ride my bikes very often, and they don't sit around needing one. If you're in need of charging your Hayabusa and you never tinkered with your bike before, don't worry, this is a very simple process. The battery is located under your seat, and all you will need is a number 5 Allen wrench to remove it. Take the 2 screws out, there's one on each side. Pull up on the front of your seat, and the battery is right there. I charge mine with a $40 Walmart charger that will automatically determine if the battery is a 6 volt or 12 volt and charge accordingly. Attach the red lead to the positive side of the battery and the black lead to the negative side of the battery, and wait. Mine charged enough to start it in about 4 hours. Once it's charged, put your seat back on, and I recommend riding the bike for about 15 minutes to stabilize your battery. And that's it.